In this video, we'll go through how to take complete backup of your WordPress site. So whenever any issues happens with your website, you can go to a previous state, you can restore backup. That's quite useful for disaster recovery or taking backup of your website. For safety perspective, it's a good practice to always keep backup of your WordPress site. So first of all, you need to go to admin of your WordPress site. Then you need to go to plugins, click on add new plugin. Then you need to search for a plugin, Updraft Plus. It's here, the first link appearing up. You need to click on install now. You can also click on this title page to read about this one. You can check its screenshot, user manual is there. If I close this button, you will see it's added. I can also let you know, just when I click on install plugins, I'm opening up in a new window. As you could see, plugin is appearing up here. Right now it's not activated. Moreover, there is an also option when you install this plugin here from this catalog or gallery here. You can also click to this button, it can activate this plugin. I'm clicking up from this plugins menu over here. Let's wait for it to get activated. As you could see, it's activated here. Now I'll press here. It will go to its settings page. As you could see, it's showing your first backup is appearing up here. I'm clicking it next. Choose your schedule. So here you could choose every 2 hours, every 4 hours. What's the schedule? Either you want to take the backup on daily basis, on weekly, fortnightly, or monthly basis. Then here also you could, for your DB, you can also set up a schedule for how to take the backup. So remote storage, these are there are various storage are available here. You can store there at Updraft Vault. You can store in FTP, on Dropbox, on OneDrive, whatsoever suits you. You can store it there. And if you buy a premium version, then more of the options will appear up here. Then you need to go to this backup and restore tab over here. Then you need to click this backup now button, and you need to select all of these options and click on backup now. It's requesting backup. Then you will see a progress over here. As you could see, the backup is started. It would take a few minutes. It depends upon your website, plugins, or whatsoever the data you have. As you could see, the size is increasing and it's showing us how many MBs are backed up right now. Also date is showing, it's here, and status is appearing up over here. As you could see, backup is successfully completed. So this is how you can take your backups.